Alright guys, this is Monkey Lockpicks, and today we're gonna take a look on one of these awesome, super strange SB lock. It says triple locking latch. You can see it's made in Taiwan. I got this from eBay, and inside of the package you can see it has a night latch, and this is a plate. Okay, it's super shiny, so maybe without the okay. So you can see even our friend Pete Restal made a video about this, and in the package you get the rim cylinder, which is this one. Okay, you can see SB engraved on the top. It has a pretty nice round keyway with the dimples on the inside. And if you take a look on the key, you see all the dimples are around and nothing on the inside. This hole will fit right there, and this is the tensioner, which is right in the back of the lock. So if you put it all the way to the rear, the core will turn smoothly. But if you put it not enough to the rear, just like this, the key will rotate freely and the core won't turn. So this one, which is really nice, is gonna stay safely in my collection. But since we have this one, okay, it comes like that in the package. I have unscrewed the plate of the back, and I'll take this apart. This one has the same mechanism, so it works, and right there is locked with this plate. And just to know if we can actually pick this lock, I'm gonna make something that is not completely appreciated in the lock community. So let's clamp this baby up, but first we need to tension this guy. Since I don't have a tension wrench which can fit right there without pushing on the dimples and overset them in some cases, I'm gonna unscrew a little bit right here, and then I'm gonna attach this piece of one whipper inserts right there. Okay. Even if I can pick it open this lock, tensioning from the back, you can see the core turns. Okay. Even if I'm gonna pick open this one, I'm not gonna considering this one picked yet, because we know that we need to tension it from the front, like it has been on the door. So for my solder kit, I'm gonna take a small flat flag, little bit of tension on the core. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit, okay, to give you a better view. And let's see if we can open it, just to see if this lock is already pickable or not. I'm gonna operating clockwise, testing all the pins to see which is binding, just like we do on I had a little rotation on the core. So I was saying I will operate like on tubular locks. One is binding, okay, a nice click. Okay. Here's the binder. I think I lost something. If I've counted right, these are like 13 pins to pick. Okay, and it's open. So and you can see now the core turns freely. Okay, you can see the SB says where you can see it's open. Now if we go a little bit too far, the lock locks up again in this position. So we have to pick it another time to have at least a half turn, or we can clamp this again and take this to the start, to the lock position. So okay, just 2 or 3 pins have come in play right now, taking this lock backward to his locked position. That is right there. Now is completely locked. Okay, and that's it. So this lock is actually pickable. The only thing I need to improve is the tensioning. So I'm gonna unscrew this. Okay, take away the wiper insert. Okay, and this works nice and clean. So now I'm gonna take a piece of wiper insert and cut this just like this little notch here on the tip of the key. Okay, this one. You see, it's actually half a millimeter wider than the notch. So after I've cut a notch right here in the middle, I'm gonna bend it and make it as thin as I can, something like that. So putting it on the from the front, it will engage the piece of metal which is the actual tensioner of the core, and see if I can pick this lock from the front, tensioning from the front like it is mounted on a front door. So thank you for your time, enjoy your picking, and see you soon. Bye bye.